Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to fund your account in the NAGA Broker. As you saw, we registered and verified our identity in this broker, and now we intend to deposit into our account. For this, you need to go to the Manage Funds section from the left panel and select your desired deposit method in the Deposit section. In this tutorial, we will use the crypto method, which has instant processing time and a minimum deposit amount of $10. On this page, you select your desired currency, and after entering the amount you wish to deposit, click on Deposit. On the next page, you need to set your deposit methods to Tether on the Tron network. On the following page, the destination address and the exact amount you need to deposit will be displayed to you. You enter your wallet on your mobile phone. Select the desired currency, which is Tether on the Tron network, and click on Send. In the first section, you enter the destination address, and in the next section, you enter the exact amount of the required currency. Or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking on this option to complete the deposit process. Click on the Next option. On the next page, you will see the source address, destination address, transaction fee, and the total amount. After clicking on Confirm and entering the password, the payment process will be completed. After completing the transaction on the payment page by clicking on the More Details option, you can view more details about your deposit on the Transcan website. After completing the payment process, click on the Send option. Well, as you can see, this balance is displayed in your account. To view the details of this transaction, you can check the deposit operation details in the History section. In the next tutorials, we will guide you through withdrawing from this broker using the TRC20 Tether method. Good luck!